Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is going to be another Halloween look. This is recreating the Saw character. My first time, so you guys are gonna come along with me and see how I struggle to make this look. And yeah, if you like these kind of videos, let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I will be listening to music while I do this, so you guys can just follow along. I'm sorry I have glitter all over I was doing a different look, but I hope you enjoyed it. I already primed my skin with the TATCHA silk canvas, so I already did that. And I'm just going to go in with the face paint, the Makeup Revolution white base matte foundation. So there's that. I got this at Ulta. It doesn't have any directions. This is just everything that it came in. So I'm just gonna put it on a plate, and I think I'm gonna go in with a sponge. The Real Techniques sponge. This is huge. And then I have my Slay All Day. We're just gonna go in. Pray for my skin. And I'm gonna look crazy, I know. And this will dry matte, so this is like the worst part. I try to use the most I can with what I put on the plate here. I didn't put much on the plate, but it's gonna get all over my hair. I'm just gonna go in. My God, I look like a ghost. And then I will actually go back, and I'm just gonna leave my brow shape but just darken that up. You guys know that I don't do my brows, so we're just gonna put black. We're just gonna make we're just gonna fill them in. Talk about texture. Well, be careful because that does get everywhere. And you know what? A little does go a long way. I'm just gonna bring it down. I'm actually just using what's on the sponge, and then I'm gonna go in a little bit more. Wow, this is actually very full coverage foundation. Geez. So how's you guys' week, day going? It is Monday, so, or how did your day go? Because by the time this video is up, it's like 4 or 5 in the afternoon or evening in my time zone. So, oh my gosh, I look crazy. I don't think I need him. Let me know what you guys' Halloween looks are gonna be like. I don't know what I'm gonna be yet, so stay tuned to that. I have last year's Halloween costume, which is Mickey Mouse, and I might just go like that, but do my makeup better. Wow, I just got something. I'm gonna have to set this fast. Do I look white enough? Get this Morphe brush, and we're gonna go into the Kat Von D Light and Shade. This is like Shade and Light palette, and we're gonna go into this color right here, which is Shake. Let's see if it works, because I've dug into this a million times. This is like my makeup brush, like my makeup palette for stuff like this. Why? Because I don't really use it for other stuff. So we're just gonna put that in there. Do I look crazy? Absolutely. And excuse if I hum or sing. I'm listening to music while I do this. And then we're gonna go in with this pencil from Smoke and Mirrors. I got this at the dollar store. Wow, the 99. We gotta sharpen it. I finally got a sharpener from Elf today. I went to Walmart. Sharpen it. It already fell apart, but just gonna go with it. It's not one thing, it's another with these things, I swear. My slay all day, remember, use code CHATWITHLU for 30% off. You know, I thought I would never be that person that would have a discount code. Here I am, promoting a discount. I really like Gerard Cosmetics' products. I have all their lip liners. I have another order coming in. I might do an unboxing. Let me know. I also signed up for BoxyCharm if you guys want to see that. Unboxing for that. Yeah, living my best life. Spending money. Something we all love to do. Unless you're cheap and you don't like to do that, then I can't relate. My nose. Shit, that's weird. It wouldn't be a video without me making things or things falling out of my hand. Oh my god, this brush literally is like poking my skin out. Nicotine. I swear I'm gonna go blind. look for a red. Let me see. We're going to use Anna Nicole from Jeffree Star. We're going to put that in our waterline. So there's always an eye that's more this eye, as you can see, my eyes are about to water like crazy. The swirlies. So here we go. Again. They have to be even. Well, they're gonna go either way, so they look crazy. Okay, now we do the lips. This is the only red that I have. You're probably thinking, and this is the Morphe color Dominate. This is the super matte. Now we're gonna go in with black. No, I can't believe I broke. This is the Colourpop cream gel liner. I'm gonna go in. can see, this is the finished look, and I tried my best to find something that fits. I tried to find something that fits the Saw character. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I did my best on these. They could have been better, but this is my first time, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. As you can see right here, I got some in my hair, but let me know what you guys think. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, what I could have done better. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Also, like this video, comment, and I do upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I